So we should be looking for buys here too. I kind of want to take buys off these retests, so I think I'm going to.
Order filled.
I'm going to take these buys off this retest right here. We had the breakout, 15-minute order block, retest. I'm going to keep my stops right under here. Let's see what happens. And then get ready to take my partials. And then let the runners rock. So we have the breakout, we have NVIDIA, we've got VIX dropping, we had news come out lower. Everything indicates that we should be going up. So I'm in for these buys. We had this beautiful retest. And we are pushing along nicely. So that's about what, 81? So the very next pivot point we have is at 681. So my runners will go to 681. I'm gonna let those rock there. I'm just gonna put that line there. This is on my live account. So I think what I'm gonna do on my live account right now, I'm going to, as long as we keep pushing, no reason to close. NVIDIA is taking off. VIX is dropping. What I'm going to do is close out one on the live account. I'm going to close out one on the live account. And now I'm going to go break even and let the rest rock. And then on my funded accounts, it looks like we're up over 1,000. I'm going to close out
Order filled.
on my funded. And then I'm going to go break even. And then that's the trading day. So now we're going to wait for pivot point. As you can see here, let me bring over my trading view. Let's go to NQ. So we had, this is our trade right now. So we took off this retest somewhere around here. We're going to be targeting this pivot point. And then now we're break even. So now we're just going to let this rock. We've got some resistances to break along the way, but we're going to try and let our runners go all the way to pivot and see what happens. Really good trade. I was really happy about this one because as you can see, we use fundamental and technical to make some money. It's going very well. Now I've had my runners, I've had micros, just micros end up being $500-$600 moves. So very confident in just letting this rock. So let's see what happens. Now I'm just going to look at everything, just monitor it. VIX dropping, NVIDIA going up. As you can see here, we have NVIDIA going up, Apple's going up, Microsoft coming down a little in this 5-minute candle, but Meta, Google, Tesla, just let them all rock. Hopefully we don't get hit out of break even, but it's break even or pivot point. And this is the beauty of when you are using, when my accounts grow and I'm going to be using bigger sizes, I'm going to be taking 5 contracts and then closing 3 and then letting 2 rock. So I'll be able to catch a much bigger move, make a lot more money, and then let some rock. But right now, we're just gonna let them sit here. Build good habits. Don't take right now because you're up. You think you see the money, you're like, I want to take it because what if it comes back to break even? It's a very fearful mindset. You're in a good trade. You're on the right side. Be hopeful. I'm hoping, I know it's going to go to my pivot point, but I'm going to be calm because if it does come back and hit me out at break even, oh well. One day, there's going to be many more opportunities later on in trading. There's going to be a day where it doesn't come back and it just flies and it trends all day and you're on the right side. You want to be a part of those days. Probably going to get hit break even. We're up 100. Retraces 100 points. More than 100. Retraced 100. What's there to say it can't go back up 200? But hey, we're break even or TP. We're letting the trade play out. Because one day it's not going to come back like this. But this will probably be break even today.
Stop field.